Hello humble bakers! Tips on how to make a proper tart shell. First, use cold butter. Always remember to use cold butter. Cold butter will yield a crisp and flaky crust, while using at a higher temperature butter will make your crust turns out soft and saggy. Second, use perforated tart rings. The perforation will allow steam to escape while you're baking the tart crust, which prevents them from building up between your tart rings and tart dough, forming an even tart crust. Third, don't add too much liquid to your dough. When you find cold water or milk listed as one of the ingredients in a tart crust recipe, its role is only to bring the dough together. These steps help to ensure the dough is moist enough to be flattened and shaped later. Fourth, roll the dough properly. It is best to use a straight rolling pin, which will give the same amount of pressure throughout the dough's surface, so the thickness of the tart crust won't vary too much. Fifth, chill the dough before baking. Think of your tart crust as a giant cookie. Just like a cookie, chilling the dough before baking will help it maintain its shape until it's done. Sixth, preheating the oven is a must. Ensuring that the oven's temperature is hot enough to bake your tart crust is also an important thing to remember.